Snatch a jama. A jama not they put water for you now make you fresh. Another one called John, a jama not go on top of Bekus. They say Pulema is not working. What is Pulema? Kokumba is not working. He even talk for you. He said nobody agree carry the man. The man. Mama T, I'm going to sue you for defamation of lace. How you go carry me? Oh, you tired?
Mommy Joyous, you need to saga me for me to wear lace.
I want saga, Mama.
You need to saga me. Saga my handsome. My handsome husband, Jonah. You need to saga me.
With who tired money, the man go the one you dey collect.
Justice for lace.
Justice. he said he just the every topic now since when he come for Nigeria. He be like say he over that Nigeria way go. I know understand.
You know as I get followers, they pay now.
He not throw away water.
That thing will happen for February. They pay now. They pay now, eh? Your mouth about to laugh. We don't need to saga. We need to laugh you.
Nah, good evening. I'll be in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, but I don't come for Nigeria.
Barry, where you come to? I don't. Barry J, where you come to?
People ask of Barry J, you say may nightmare come out, come pizza. Now you just call
they work. Now first and they work.
Also, me I did break now. I say me I could do tafiya small.
I don't say don't come for Nigeria.
Since when he come, Mama no bring rest. He give my everlasting pay.
Small picking way, small girl way out pass age wey take dey drag
He said that
woman wey no
dey suffer. When person dey suffer, I go dey call his person say na the person dey suffer. I know dey shock am.
She don dry finish. You not see her. Nothing there about the again.
I know that
he is into collect person husband because they drag the person put. No, say na work.
Hi.
Now work now.
Oh yeah, ba. Okay, me invite you. This thing is real. The pen is real because this video talk a lot. Oh, Barry J say when he come Jamie 6 months, he send a flight he take on Jamie. When he come, when he just come, that's so the man just fly come it and he come just tell Jamie say the man just dey there. Person wey use a constitution and daughter take sick asylum.
Person wey go sick asylum as a single mother. Now if I start Jamie 2015.
This guy not just sit down categorically, not just the banner bolo.
Not be so if they talk and not the platform. It not be so they talk. I not do a shower, not do a shower. He forget
that now. Barry J talk. You say
now Jenny they stay for one. You stay for the same apostle. Ask her to bring the situation. They do a shower, they sally. Just say no do the shower take for Italy before you go carry bed.
A shower way do. Now black boy tell you do Nigeria.
Not be money. Now the money where they see for instance, use and take buy ticket go they greet black boy for different places for Italy.
But you borrow Jenny money because I pay to sour. Justice was our Justice was our because who did this to you? Mama, I said Mama service sell soulless. You know here. You not told I say no they wear jewelry.
Mama, not the weirdness again. May you not the weirdness again. You want keep person.
Just
you don't carry Mama risk.
You don't dry finish.
Justice for me.
Anything where she don't fit get, she say she don't like.
If you get her, that time, if you just see me like this, go say yeah, you go say yeah, you go say I like your shape, eh? He like all those better body, he like better body, not all those bogafit body, he like better body. Oh, forget it.
That girl like me. That girl like me.
You say I like you.
That girl like me. Only say no people come near me. That be the problem. When she beg me that time, she tell me say, "Mama, I go they call you. I get a birth record, but I not go agree. Now don't be the problem. So she not the lawyer. If you not lawyer, you go lawyer.
Mama, I want to be you and a mate. Let's say age range. You be mate.
Mommy Titi, your yash too big. Something they shake and the tea they pay now.
I'm telling you,
Mama Titi. Nobody see her now. When they'll start, you go say, no, green move on. Move on. Now you decline, make person move on. Person where there's my house.
Yeah, you can't make move on. Now you know if you move on. Now you collect person husband. Now you see they drag the person. Wait, don't matter.
The thing not they shock you.
Now you say you collect this day.
Now you every day. No topic where they do, not they talk. The woman where I give everlasting. You are the woman who get paid. Now the woman give you everlasting pay.
And I money. And I the way you show. Mama, this is the way you
Oladoko. We must analyze this video. Like
Mama T, where collect your husband. Mama T fine person, and get better body person.
I know that's that Mama T be like.
You know they still Mama T shape. You know they see shape.
Oh, I school everywhere.
Even Nigeria when they go, even Nigeria when they go, the court when they so they put yash side though, go watch her. They put yash.
For this skirt, I'm telling you. 400 naira per year. I say by that.
They put yash side.
Nigeria self now 2 weeks he go spend for Nigeria. But
if I had the set before I got the post. No, but yeah, Babeba phone is away. You need to check that your TikTok. Oh, you have TikTok. Where else about now?
Nigeria, where you go the hard. Your passport expire. Okay, if you don't cost me finish.
You come
not feeling for road.
They say move on. No, if best say move on that time, una go collect for this TikTok. More no verse.
I don't want to pay for road.
It don't see the throw mask to Mama Titi now.
Not there. Now so they draw. They go wait the matter.
Later I go say not they call them. Not they call them. Not they call them. Now they call them, boy. But people don't say na the woman they talk to.
The woman they call them. Who you call her husband?
they want to go beat her again. Now I go say they don't beat her.
He go say not call them.
He go say na we gang up. Now he and send us. He say na he and go do. You go just dey lie. You know they fear.
Me who see the man when they the marry self. Rejected stone.
I don't help my mama. Where admit?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Rejected stone.
I say, what I noticed about that
husband snatcher. Now we give
God forsaken human being. What I don't notice in pain when me personally notice for her body now. How? Sorry, Mama Titi. Yeah, he come up. He leave the man. They still see man wey carry people for house. Legally, traditionally. You dey hear me so?
He not do church where they go explain give una more no one.
No, you know. I don't know whether you understand what they talk. I said the pain of that woman. In the pain and say Mama Titi come up for the man place, man. And it still see man still marry and put for us tradition.
If you say me enemy turn to single mother, may see chance the last man. Because she's a last single mother.
Now what did they pay?
Single mother na title.
Now my village.
Anyway, carry another person because give person. Single mother no better.
Single mother no be title. Single mother na title na.
He go
I don't understand. If the woman start now, you not agree move on. Now you every day they call your name. Who I call her husband? Which husband you they call her?
No matter. He go say single mother where everybody say they come. He reach your turn, you marry her. As now that day I know say he dey pay now.
Okay, where he say happiness case. It's still the saga the girl say why you go meet the person husband.
No, be that one. You're not going to say that frustration.
Thank you for taking that man. If not be you now for not see this one.
That girl with the saga, so that girl with the saga, so.
Yeah,
Mama, that girl with the saga, so now my friend for her, so Messi, we go the saga, so Messi, now my friend for us. I dey platform since now house we for know each other before.
Oh, now, that is a girl where
even make her even come off enter Europe. Now Romy. Now my friend for us, we be friend for us, me and Messi.
The girl don't even be like how. The girl don't need Wahala on you not to drag.
I dey platform since that girl will go the drag, so we go collect person.
That one carry. That one no go carry. That one no go sit down with the man for his house.
Make her abandon children wey don first born before.
You still get mad they talk about people, let people.
Mommy Mama Titi na insult to. Easy we insult to Mama Nora. You know why it talk say if you know say you be single mother, you not get character, not go marry. Mama Nora no get character na. If you tell her say make cool for my ass.
That person say make I talk about it and OJ. I not watch an OJ today. Now go ya just jam one woman case. I can't use and cook. I don't watch an OJ today. So now you are just jam for maybe I'll check blogs. I go check am on a listing. He never talk when I go shut I am on a listing.
What did they happen to?
He say too jealous, so he no go fit make person collect husband.
Trust me. I As I dey hot that time, small girl wey come Europe. I never do a shower.
Okay. Oh yeah, Barije answer that part. Never do a shower.
You dey talk say never do a shower. Not be you and Jenny. Not be you and Jenny. They stay for the same apostle. They sale for 2014.
To follow just
me Barije answer that shower party.
Who shall be say not do a shower? You not do a shower in the talk. Now you and Jenny 2014 they sale for the same apostle for ask her to bring this to 2014.
Apostle.
People wey don't also know what be apostle for Italy. That two that they sale now money work that they go and Jenny. Who shall be say not do a shower? Not do a shower. Not do a shower. You're quiet. Forget a shower issue. You're quiet. No, they lie.
Not be like that. Shower issue.
Now, me I don't forget. Now, 3,000 I take gives you, Jomo.
You know what? Give her money. No leave her for street. You see, carry her go.
He carry 3,000 euro. He can't give the man. The man talking for my palo. Meeting where he manage use a shower money pay. Even the husband snatch away, do you still pay the man? May agree. I said the first. Yeah. Oh, Koko Bioko.
The man no say not being get the first daughter. Man no.
Oh, yeah, more continue. True life story. Now it's okay. Not be me.
It's a true life story.
The man come tell me say, don't worry, baby, I'm gonna give you life.
Oh.
Just give my peace of mind. I say, pardon.
See the life we give you.
Mama, which life? You know that life.
You say quarter say pardon
I say single mother better pass this one. You know they see neck. If not
the man don't really give her life.
the life where the man give her now for social life, oh, not better life, oh.
Oh God.
The life when the Christ the man give her now.
Justice for my head.
That will not be
justice
life
for my head. I need months. I need months.
It come like say this guy said. It like say, why? But I say, may go they break water and malt and egg. May they drink every morning. Because
now the two life the man give her. Water not there body again.
It not there, mama. No, they see. I call it dry. You call it dry like say.
Oh, now this one will come outside. You see, if you see me now, don't fool. If you are myself yesterday, as I did not.
She called it. No, at times a person go they dry, go they fresh, oh. But she they dry. She call it old. She know they look at
justice for a way not stand.
You know they dry, they old, they dry, they old, they dry.
No, they collect better year now. They collect
that water not clear.
Single mother whether they fresh anyhow. Anything they want, they get it. You wait, no.
May go see she go. May go see single mother. May go see their bedroom.
Now send me with the shas.
Single mother where they build as they invest for Nigeria. You don't invest once. You don't enter in Germany. Yeah, one for see the money. Single mother will invest.
Now you collect person husband. Now you they cost the woman everything. You know that. Now you they say me move on. Wait till you want me this. Now you no get this.
I think say we will spend 1 month for Nigeria self. Enough stay.
I think say the man will give my peace of mind. Not get mansion.
This mansion where the money dey?
Yeah. Let me drink water. I know what this analysis and people like though.
If not Italy the day, the man for this, the man for don't run live am.
For that one live am.
Why don't live am? Not be Germany because of Germany now.
Now the money when the man they see they collect for those
children. That be the money. Not those times make am. If not Italy, the man for don't run.
All these fake accounts when be six for I beg. Now not see they follow the host. Now see they climb up. Now they craze.
If you want enter your real account, we know the drag person analysis with it. Oh yeah. Domo.
He said go do blood test.
I now went. I bought piece of bed. I put on for body. I say power don't wait.
Yeah, he said can't wait go buy piece of mind. When I turn and say use 3,000 for susu.
Now that money now.
Now the cheese I not believe him. Where's of a mat?
Mama, you dey see piece of mind for your body.
You know it.
Come and collect the baby of Akpo.
Go market, go buy piece of bag.
Now so.
My husband. He promised me heaven and earth.
Nah.
He tell me say don't worry, babe. Everywhere go meles.
Nah, you do so. And
everywhere don't meles. Oh, go better.
Wahala. Ask him wetin meleke there.
I just tired.
Fish everywhere bone, hand bone, leg bone, everywhere bony. Go for your body. If na person will get us of mind, there's born 5 children, so you supposed to fast.
My dear, don't be lie, yo. Even since last 3 months, you still dey okay, oh. But for Nigeria,
person wey get rest of mind as e go all those countries, as e go through the way ground, e suppose to get body.
It can't work. Let's say the thing can't work, but it can't dry.
Even though you no even get body, you no get body where you dey young, you don't dey born. If you get rest of mind, you go dey get body.
No, man, you say not get body. It's supposed to be fresh. You know that.
Pursue you come for Nigeria. They here to analyze your shame and disgrace. Who are even
the breast now foam. Now foam take the carry the breast, the foam. Now foam. Enter the hold the breast now. Now foam take the hold the breast.
Nothing there again. Don't flabbertine. It's flabbertine.
Hello, boy. You can't analyze.
You must analyze them.
I beg. That your lace them.
Mama, Titi go the tiger. You go come here 40 inches, you man. If it's away, no fist away, go put on. Shake it. Hey! Yeah. Mama go come install the hair, go laugh. Mama not grief for anybody.
What if the one may do this? What if the one may do this man first wife? So if the one maybe say he as he collect the husband, so may this woman enemy turn to single mother. Make this woman come the.
He say he wants to come collect the new husband. Not be take out this woman new husband again. He say go still collect this.
The new husband.
Now go ask mama.
No.
I say like when you first come, you offend this girl.
You offend her. They fed meet for first life when they fed come.
Oh, come and know what? Nothing we are not go see. What is this? You come for Nigeria now. Now, Mama Titi, Mama, oh, yeah. If you come outside, you say, now I move. Who don't want move? Who the husband has?
Maybe the
body they
don't matter.
But when you go Nigeria, Mama Titi, you never do video for her move. You not do video for her.
No, she do one video when we come outside for her. And I come outside for her.
That will not be recharged. That will not be recharged phone. Take wash saga or take do saga for Nigeria. Now how can you follow talk?
Not be lie, Mama Titi. You get her. Network.
Not you go past Cotonou, go the renew Nigeria passport for Nigeria. I don't book passport.
I'm not sure say you show me, but my family said they don't see.
She show me.
But they said they don't see her.
When we go Nigeria, I go past Cotonou. You know, passport expire. Nigeria, because he go renew passport for Nigeria, and I make still long small. Now me I won't come to talk. Me will not go Nigeria, not better pass that one. You go Nigeria with 500. You go Nigeria with 500 euro.
Maybe they go to you for your place.
You go complete 500 euro.
After ticket, she get 500 euro. Me you ask her. My dear, no one get your time. I too big pass you. Yeah.
Why you go the wear less the post food? You can't serve it. You can't even go serve your husband. They add content. Justice for Mama.
Dory man.
Mama, I want to you for very close and lace.
Justice for lace.
That your go lace. Anytime when you post new style, she can never have no peace. He go just lie.
Not the way she talk. She talk like person wey get tension.
Like me now, when I tell you, get like where they lie. No be waiting. I know. Say as I dey here, now people where they know me when I do get full here. People where they know me for this country full here. So there are things I say and I don't say. Maybe I can't talk when they know say people know you. You are not a spirit.
I thank God say I come out for cage. God of heaven and earth, thank you.
Yes,
even I see my team, you husband there. You go not say the picture.
I don't say. God, thank you. After 3 children,
Mama, with the my people, 18 years birthday, they come. What will be the date? Mama twist, 18 years birthday.
14th of November is a go. I better go recharge your phone. No, for wash.
November they say put the hall. Which date?
14th of November is a go.
If you want the clothes, now 70 euros. So you fit chat.
Okay, 14th.
For twist, I bet if you not dey no na come follow them celebrate. No na come see the things.
No na come
see these children. What that's it? Hey, no na come see the children. Whether they no fresh.
Where they run live. Imagine the pain we go dey that.
Una see twins. They talk pass it. They are still the wine.
No be small saga go do that.
This frustrated us whenever we are.
Yo.
Now he dey cry. Now they say.
Mommy, they want to rescue me. That they no be small saga. You go.
They say location. Mama, they never print and finish. More they put am for life if they do show.
Yeah.
Everybody need to match. Make they see the children. Make they look your children. Look how well they comfortable.
That day she go dey shake for table. He nyash go dey hot. He go saga my shoe. He go saga my shoe. Saga my handbag. He go saga my shoe. Saga anything where I use that day. You know if you laugh kill me.
He must go check how much be limousine again. This time around. So I bet there's when you drop location. I don't know if they don't finish the banner. You send
Okay. I'm walking towards it.
Celebrate our twinnies. They too go far.
Our
They know they use
beautiful,
Caro White.
beautiful, elegant, intelligent babies. She can pay.
Mama, what is it? Don't cry, I'm on show. Oh, yeah, I'm on a listing. Sorry. Where is Papa?
Just come now. Now, woman, we not near her. Now, I come they start to the saga.
Every day, now wait till they do the woman come face her. Hey, move on. I say not game of I say not game of you and this woman now who is okay. A lot time me as me and Mama don't there. How many years now? 4 years, yeah. I don't see some kind thing. Mama no be who they can't show you. Say, see how my house be, see how my things be. You understand? Mama no be baby number one. For her life and next life to go, she no reach mama. Because I don't see her for grand. Me and her they talk. So I will say she really pass mama and I go, let me they talk. Me now, not if they use myself, compare mama, say I reach mama. Because I never still reach that stage of life. You understand me? Everybody, as mama dealt with 5 children, she still they work. Yes. She still they work. If she no work, she do hospital. I don't know what is your pain. Let's listen to your pain. Your pain is what I'm playing.
Lara, baby, no better for you for that name. You know, see my name. My name is Best Mommy Twist. BMT. You call me Mommy 3D.
Before tonight.
It has been long. What's up? It's brighter, my love. Good morning. I go break Jare, go take a cheap pee. I don't be like all those people who don't there abroad. Some of them don't even get passports. They don't even know how inside they be. They don't know how many times flights get. I not be all those kind people. Local champion. For Libya to
Wait, these children distract me.
28 years, 30 years. They don't even go on.
I bet me I
Some
listen.
of them make people go mother. Me, I not make anybody to go mother. Somebody will be, baby, I'm going to give you life.
No,
Piece of mind. I say, I must be piece of mind for markets. Tell me. I don't wait. I bought piece of
This is a part of where you take collect person husband. See you go.
Ask me what it cost. Ask me what it cost.
No, go see you na part you see the coin no J. No.
Ask me what it cost. Esa woman cost a pardon, sir.
I don't understand why they do it, but they mention Esa. We Esa not they support nonsense.
We know they mention pardon. What it cost a pardon, sir. Or why not let you talk? Bros not let you talk a pardon, sir.
Now Benin people better pass her. Now she want me that they classify say some people they snatch people. Yesterday that one way still talk now Esa. Make una stop am. I say Esa woman you see say person get husband. If he not tell you na different case, but this how she they use her proud. Make una start to they collect people husband. Mona stop am and me I not go agree for that way. Get child they support forget that.
Yes, me not the support.
And me I not go agree for that way. Get child they support forget that.
Just try with a movement remain and done in my second folding now. Try with a movement.
Never do. Well, I say
about time because it has about.
May invite you. Oh yeah.
I put up for body. I say power don't come and take. You know it. I know how to talk.
Hey yeah.
I go market, go buy piece of bag. Hey, yeah. For my husband.
Now so.
He promised me even an eight.
Now so there they give you.
Babe, everywhere go meleske.
Yeah,
and today, everywhere don't meleske. Oh, go
now I think I can call they like you don't. Now so
I go break Jare, go take a cheap pee.
hey yeah, now so
those people who they abroad.
Listen.
Some of them don't even get passports. They don't even know how inside they be. They don't know how many times flights get.
Shut up, not be to go Nigeria. You go Nigeria, you feel sure anything. Now it matters.
Why you not sure where you there for Nigeria?
Your husband get duplex.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you supposed get estate.
For many
people
years
where they get passport, where they never go. Where they invest better pass who go. Wait, no see where stay. Now mama house they follow. You go in mama house, they follow and drive car, they follow and drag bed. Who are bell?
For inside village, mama dey for code for introduction.
They Chris.
Champion. From Libya to abroad 28
I'm
years.
Joyous, my password don't
They
finish.
don't even go
Now
out
later.
there.
Okay.
Drop me, my password don't finish.
Just let me check. Come on.
You say for Libya to abroad.
Now the first woman, now the assistant they talk to, so now that one me no like for am. Now the assistant they drag am from Libya to Italy.
Wetin concern this woman Nigeria where you go now? What did you went there to do? Na person marriage abi na here we done no.
These some people go get passport.
Soapy.
If easy, may you still get the passport now easy. If not be a shower go do for Nigeria, why not carry children follow body?
Ask am
Married woman.
Say me with the way they go Nigeria, ain't go by where for.
He go as a single person. Husband not dey follow, children not dey follow.
That's what they do for Nigeria.
He go force small boy now because as he force small boy, so body go still cool down small. Because all those dead print, you know the thing they carry.
She where they talk in the money business. Why you go talk say me the who want swear for Barry J? Barry J, if person swear for me, I see her for dream or I check her, I know say you swear for me, I not give you double swear. Send me with the money business.
Last 2 months. Or the 19th of February in the night. Answer what happen. We go attack me the night. Before we go village, go settle the matter. The next day go attack me. They go attack me the midnight. Answer what happen to them.
Okay, me na answer.
Answer for say the February 20 we attack me. What happen to them? We don't already settle the matter on the 19th. 20 go attack me.
If na answer go my colleague.
Answer what happen to them now.
He not go try to
answer people Jesus like has shot for an eye run come out. Now he run come out in the midnight.
No, they fear na. They fear na go fear attack.
No, time no go attack egbe yen o we like jine.
I tell you if you want to even this year oh issue.
I don't fit get your block by my enemy. Why I just say Jesus. Now wetin I don't fit breathe again. Only that Jesus I just talk now fit get or go carry Bible.
Yeah, oh, tell your mama make it stand for you for this girl. You say you be everlasting enemy.
If person will not dey prayerful, not just put body for a matter, oh, he and him mama, their witch not be here.
We dey tell you,
if not dey prayerful, not put body for a matter. Oh, the 20
make her leave them.
They attack me the night, They choose something for my enemy here. They press my enemy down. I don't feel breathe again. What did you come out from my mouth? The power where God just give me say, Jesus, now you wrong.
You know, say that time when this matter come and go attack one woman where they call her evergreen because the woman attack her for the Osas diploma. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mom. Still give me now. Thank you. All my mommies are giving me gifts. If you not trust her, if you not get waiting you, if not God you believe. You know they pray before you sleep. You be kind of person. No enter a trap or you go come beat you for now.
If you want to attack my enemy, make the toss say me I come as the message happen to my enemy, make the toss at the juju come they walk. Evil people. Make the toss at the juju
when
they
they
walk.
say me you swear, I not tell you not try and swear. Go turn her for now.
They press my neck in the night. They choose something from my hair. I just open my what it just come from Jesus. Now you wrong. I don't run go carry Bible.
You know why they saga Mama Tina? It don't still go do juju, it don't work. You know, say this scared of people where they
because of this issue and now order my pillow when me they sleep. Bible they day every day by day. Now Bible not they come out for there. Before I they leave the Bible for another place because of this that day. Now go carry Bible.
Wait, trophy version come meet my baby when it start to the saga me. Yes,
I only like the carry Bible. Now Bible they sleep because of this issue. See that time Shana want that time not come again.
No, if you defeat I can run. It wish now just
see that time not come again. For come make it sleep, may not wake up.
Joy, stop crying. What is it?
If I come again, I may sleep, may not wake up.
Joy, will you stop?
Tell me, then they go again. Now what?
I say, the truck conversion give my daughter. I say, now so
anyway, my family, my family that
now some of the people that they say mama can work out those
my family when calling a regbesi le woni gbere ino eme o ino eme bi no gbere wa wozobo
as di kumbie yaya the born away. Yeah, let's continue.
I'll take 1 week break. I'm not like them. Clock it. Thank you, my sister. Thank you. Sophie, they remind me. I went on a break. I'm going to take fresh air.
That's so.
Go enjoy. Go sightsee. Go
That's
see life. Go see my family.
That's
you know carry children follow
she's
body.
really happy. She travel to Nigeria is back. What can happen? You never go Nigeria before. You look me like no they go Nigeria.
I'm for flight tickets.
Family.
Why you not carry children follow body? I wish you did well.
We shall be travel. Oh, this one never go house. Is when they are abroad. This one don't go where they right now. Now God give my day yes.
Why you not carry children? Why you not show where they stay for Nigeria? Why you not carry children? You know where they dey for Nigeria. You know where they dey for Nigeria. Now me do show who the road. Now me do show the road. Now me do show na they go do.
All this fake account.
Sabi widow that they toast her for grant. If
Fake
they
account,
toast her for grant, the case the husband come by, you go take over. You na one of the toaster now. Go in line up. Semi widow. Da wagbe. Aya.
Be our friends. Now me on one lost for abroad. When I marry ma, we don't give me life.
Now so.
If you give my document, you refuse to give the woman peace. The woman go give another woman the document.
Shut up, oh. Now your man give you document.
Now the woman give you document. Not be government give you document.
Now the man give you document.
Now the man I give you document to circumcise. Who shall be say the man? What you call concern the man concern
the man not give a document. Now Doro is sick to circumcise.
Now the man na 10 years now after the man take on gem.
Men I even ask her which cream they use. Which cream that they use?
Carol White, this one not be lie. Even the ring where they use na Nigeria ring. The man will give a piece of
wait, what not be that one we did that just wait. You
suppose that Jama good. Oh, your bed in here, name.
That get the bleach. That
Carol White they use. I know they lie now.
You have to stop that cream. That cream no even
no. Oh, mama, you run a war. We right for time war.
You go use better cream.
You like that.
But all you know, the person will be like saying yellow before. But if you sit down, you get this thing.
Oh, Abamuja, the general, but where you're working, you make we happy for a more fit to go. Now God will punish you. I be submit with the way they go Nigeria. I
think who don't get document to go Nigeria? Who don't get document?
You looking like who don't get paper? My paper too goes balance. Now family we tell they go you there, man. What people?
Europe where they may tell you Europe where they if you send a line now, if you send a line, I will show you for camera now 10 years document now I can get for Europe now. You shall say the document now waiting. I beg you. Now 10 years document, 10 years.
If you see person with that fake account, Joyous, see that person when did that account, you see, I said that person don't even get document.
Now this year January now complete now collect my 10 years. You shall be say, what to be done? You just say that people
me they go I can't run direct. If they go Cotonou, you say make happy for.
If me want go Nigeria, I say me want go Nigeria, I say not be Lagos. I want to come there for airport. Thank you, mama. They on that salon again.
That's his last time they said she buy the ticket.
Country where they are work for this country for 4 years. I be one day they show you Bosta Pagarate. They wear they pay tax for them.
Now analysis I do.
Una wey dey for Italy, they only occupation where I want collect for June now is 4,500. Second rental for August.
Oh yeah, but if you don't collect that money now, if I wait in December.
No, our own not be like that. Our own not every Jew. Our own not every Jew. No, our own are Jew. Now, second rental they collect for August or December. Depends on the calf.
If you like, follow my
Our own
they pay
us 4,500.
Nonsense.
Oh, cases where the woman you say they give her paper. Now if you like me follow and build us. I did say you carry your husband come and that they say the woman not follow and buy anything. No, you don't they confess her. If you like, you say not be the woman even give my paper when quarrel start. No, you don't they confess.
I wish that woman not even give that woman document wait take get 10 years or Italy wait take on. If you not even give her this aduro because you know they work. If you not even give her this aduro paper.
You need to tell her life history. You can't say nah. If you don't the woman man build that if you snatch and you go sleep the house, you know they follow man build. That's what if you be really get grace, you know they follow man build.
This way they know the man don't carry don't fall.
You claim and say
you know the man carry never fall. Don't fall the man carry.
Since when you know this one, you know they follow and build. At least I'm a proud that's why. Yes, so since when I know my husband now, I know God, I know good. A lot of things they way don't they do pull hand. Even the family they shock. Like waiting they do since when marry me. Since when they marry you, waiting you don't break under my life. When even honorary quick make the man even deceive children. If not let that one you do for her, pass everything, you feel do then you are in pain. You are in sorrow. Picking one complete 18 years. You are still a bad luck to that man. I see one video where the man they say, any picking where be say, you know, if mama not let her see papa before he want marry. If he want marry, make the husband make sure say the picking settle with the papa before he go agree as marry him. That means that man they cry for inside. If he they walk, you know they fit walk because of tears of sorrow. Yes, the man posted for a pay. I saw that video. If they use it direct, say don't if they miss the children like if the children want marry, make the man say make they go settle with their papa first before they marry. Wait, so
okay, the man do the video.
Yes, they blocked the video. They say yes. He blocked the video for one page, Emperor something. How they call the page?
Yeah.
Now I can't come and say, I see what video where I see now. Wait till they play. He wanted it. Now mama say, God, which way how?
That one when momentarily the mumu they talk. Oh yeah, but just leave all those one. When time come, that man go. No, be you know feel separate. He
said no, say no hope from here in day. No man.
Leave all those one when they talk. I beg.
He said the man don't hold nobody agree carry him.
Oh boy, he used just this when I see that thing for blog. He used Martin Jaya that good man today. Oh, I swear to God. You know
when they said the man this thing not they walk again. I don't believe I talk. Now be me talking my words of our mouth. Confession.
But this one be treated that you be bad mouth.
You never see their license.
Whether anybody they cry, I don't know. If to say that useless it to her succeed.
That girl not
not be here for day. All the useless people we gather for platform they come here as master they support it to her. They support her bombino.
Yo, Ito and my friend all the way from Nigeria wrote that. I know as me and they close. You told her when you they talk, so me and Ito and they close well all the way from Nigeria. And because of him make it to and even enter Europe now. Me and Ito and get close. Road that not just go there. You and Ito and not be the same. Ito and both for the man. Ito and not go stay with the man for us. You know tell the man say make you not go stay with the man. Not tell the man say make abandon children we don't have born before. Ito a dey Italy wetin to answer say make even na 50 euro make the man dey sell go give him pikin though you and Ito a be the same you and Messi no be the same.
But Ito a dey work na Ito a dey work.
He dey work.
I no say dey work.
He dey for project. He dey work. If you drag Ito a we go drag you for here. You and Ito a the same thing.
Ito a better pass out.
You are Ito a the same. Ito a single mother. Ito a no you no go break the woman.
You see anybody when you no talk if you come no dey carry all those people they amen you no talk who be this one.
No, I think na my fans see. Joyous okay
na
they say useless Ito and you will be useless woman and you dey call Ito and useless Ito.
They say na 3 women born for the man.
Different women na today every day. Different women for even born from the man before Ito come born for her.
That one never.
Ito ha talk am. I guess Ito on the.
Yes, he tell me I dey pass on this.
Supposed to for person husband.
Husband not the advice person. You see that?
Wait, I know here wait. Oh, now they confuse me. Is the advice una suppose close make for person husband?
But you go carry on that person pikin go give person husband you condemn the marriage you see they drag the woman. You see, talk.
Mama T, we go put Mama T picture one day, Sagara. Now Mama T put this depression for her body. I swear.
My sister, since when I don't they talk and say me go check it begin. Never talk about this DNA again.
You go check it, you know the picture. I forget it. May I tell you, if not the man get, may I tell you, if not that man get that picky CC, may I tell you, I know I pass you. It all that for the flood DNA test or for TikTok. Let me tell you.
Many
all your family member, all your family member know say both your mama and family member know say not be that man get that one not be beauty.
Cannot be second chop.
That one not be beauty. They don't say they know that one not be beauty. That one not be beauty.
They call me with food checks. They say they know now. No be the man get that person.
That deny where deny. So we say no know me now. No my must deny me before because I too expose am for
the way they lie categorically say.
You know he must expose. He must deny before me use a common chase mob. I too expose am. All those people, all those single father where they full platform, they know say na truth at the top.
They go soon tell her, no worry. Some of them go soon begin.
The way they will quarrel. We go hear what you go.
She can never have the character. Now that one.
Don't put your hand for this iron, may you swear. Don't put your hand. May you swear. Say you don't know say that man. You want to say no, you only or you both don't go for the man. Liar. Liar. Don't swear. You will be desperado.
Yeah.
All the time say they find paper.
Yeah.
Since I called this abroad, they never give me rejection one day.
Yeah. German government.
I know they find paper. When I forbid
the rejection when they give you for Italy, call your mother will put for prison. Why they not give you paper for Italy? You know how many times they give you negative for when you say put mother for prison, what's he give you paper? Not the only Jamie the paper for favor you Italy they do give you paper also the prison where you put that innocent woman.
Yeah. This girl people he won't use like black people for this thing.
If one drag another people drag, they not go drag it to her put for those your rubbish because it to her see better pass you.
It to her see get mad now.
See person wey destroy person marriage. You dey talk another person wey dey Italy. The man dey Germany with his wife. This one dey for Italy.
It to her not tell the man may leave his wife or may leave his children. Not tell her may abandon children like you.
Not tell her what if that one just talk say even na 50 or 100 euro come dey send for the pikin. Now na the dragger.
Person say Barry J is just pay. He not pay anything because I don't know who they talk. Who know we wait know it if they talk.
Who shall be say Barry J is just pay? May not just go dey drag it to am. That's it. But if you say Barry J is better pass.
Mama Titi now we go know.
Wetin make me wan pay for wetin I no understand wetin I want jealousy am for. My document strong pass the document. Wetin I want I get 10 years document. May I show am for camera. Me on my camera, me I show my thing. I get 10 years document.
Because they know how she dey lie. They make her they pay. They say this girl you go enter as not they talk when they know you.
First we get okay. What I want jealousy for? You get 3 years at Duro paper. Me get 10 years. What I want jealousy for?
So we know they say with the.
Parents na has he get and we are not get. What I want jealousy for?
Yes, they think get. It not shock you. So nobody.
Retire now with Jenny, my sister Jenny, the girl that they do.
He said no do a shower for abroad.
The girl they do a shower 2014 for apostle for after to bring this now money work that they go they silent for them. I told them they silent Jenny.
Just for after to bring this.
That we say not do a shower. You do a shower, you not do a pay, do a shower 2030, do a for like a year plus or a 1 year. Do a shower. Not do a shower.
Why would you only just analyze this video? Just say yeah. Oh yeah, the video I beg.
This country now flight I take one, no enter bus, I no enter train.
Tell them all.
Flights now carry me from Roma Bari Airport to this place where I did.
Which place?
Okay.
Don't swear if you were not desperate. Paper not there. Paper not there.
Okay, what you come do for abroad? When I ask him,
what the girl will help you come that city where you there? What do you do to her relationship today?
Nah, I tell you, Rhoda not for use flight. Wait, my mama, Rhoda not for use flight from Italy. Rhoda not get paper, not possible. Go use flight from Italy.
They don't get unless paper use. They're not government.
No, you not get document. Well, from Italy use flight take on Germany. Not possible. You not get documents. Because name where they bear for Nigeria passport, we name where they bear for Germany na different name. That different
The
different
name
name.
we use for Italy different from Germany. Oh.
You not say you want. Mama, go say
Not be different name. Na different name we use. No so those ashawo name where they change up and down.
Now this thing say that they call her now. Wait till say that they call her.
Na the business he wants start to na the thing they do now where who can now for now where they run up and down for Nigeria for Abuja. The passport get problem because the name where they for passport are the surname and the age, not be the name where go the BF for where they take carry, not be the name where they take carry and come.
I not snatch person husband. You hear? Now husband as I did, not verse.
Now you really name na dey Nigeria passport. Now you really name you know that could do na dey Nigeria passport, not be really name dey there for documents. That be the issue. Now what if they try to change so?
wait, make I block the fake account.
Who shall be say the jealousy? What I want jealousy?
With your papa.
What I want jealousy first? Small pikin carry old man, person husband. I want jealousy. Man, why you not marry young guy? As your husband easy.
Oh, yeah,
that one the
let's
jealousy.
continue. But they go crack. An analysis I do.
I did so you can't say I'm married to my husband. Not that say video call marriage. Even the happy I say in October, I will see you on now. I say in October, and they marry you. Then let me not just go. October, and I'll come and the chat. It's marriage and achievement. They play. Just they play.
How many years your marriage did? Maybe now it will be 3 years. You they count 12 years, give people.
No, if they count 12 years of wait, take around that person don't give her. Why start to
Una thank you. Our gift.
Not be where person go do marriage, not be where go do, not be where do marriage, not be take born that one way senior twin so that baby that
the one when we born October, I can't born my daughter December. After the marriage, then the upper year, then they go Nigeria. And that marriage preparation, and she force and before the man go do am. Not be tomorrow. I was aware of that. Not be say person tell me that one.
The man not
musician, man not Greek carry. The man say like, yeah, he not get money for musician. The man not Greek buy with him. I know that one.
He's stingy, that man stingy. That time for Jenny, before he give Jenny 50 euro, they had.
The person when you go in marriage, when you go marriage, go for Nigeria, my sister. Oh, yeah, but where paying look on you? Yeah?
I will talk everything for that marriage aspect.
I be I
don't
know about that one, though.
That guy when you go in marriage, so go may you check the guy when you marry. Not say the guy. Say that guy myself. You don't take for marriage, you don't do for. But that guy wait for you. Oh, you don't carry person. Oh, that guy. So when he go do marriage, when he follow go do marriage for Nigeria, my people. That guy so I know a Richard. I mean that guy even go school for the school when we go secondary school. That guy so when you go in marriage, that guy wait for your husband. You know collect person. Oh. You must have now that guy so when you go married, you know see the cute guy when that guy married, but he waiting in your now. You know I see in the way they shame the husband for social media today. They tell the man say the man don't old. I didn't feel for that man today. The way you use man the man today, come like.
May I tell you that man there so me I know the
man they don't do the social media.
May I tell you Roda na young girl and they talk for life man. That man can never sacrifice Roda. It's not possible. Let me sacrifice Roda.
Okay, what's it?
He tell me say na car make am follow the man. She told me. Don't show your face.
Everything where the man get that and both the apartment, everything. Now this Mama Titi now he get them. Where did the man get?
Now Mama Titi na dey the apartment where he for go.
No, Mama Titi say I even bring. You don't carry this old bed. You don't carry. You don't bath her up finish. No other woman I can carry.
No.
He good to wish if to say still there with this man, you know say whether he life for better as it is so.
Now I just blame myself. First time say what you go do for this? If you see the man get bad body.
See person wey say they give person pay. He and that woman look the difference. Look the difference of you say they give her pay and look her. Now she get.
I see this so now he and that he was old man so they know they fuck for 6 months, 5 months. They know they fuck.
He talk her for Facebook Live now. He talk her. The man self talk her say 6 months they know they sleep to each other. She talk her. This one not be say saga. That their page where they hack. She talk her now. He say 6 months the man not the near her.
Mama, they always they talk. He say if you know they see your husband or you know they see my you go they old. Now what you wrote that and it's for road that.
Yes, no.
Maybe say
Yes,
maybe
now
that
she
make
talk not be lie, not be lie. No, because of Mama T.
Not be say the man, now because say the man prick now, no they have the man prick no fit certify
and
you
drag Mama T go talk to me and that person that day. Wait, may I talk this thing? The day when Mama T go see her beat her, anybody wey drag Mama T go talk the matter of buy her that day because when they cause now the person, all these blogger never see her now say make she concentrate on her show. They know they see her. When Mama T beat her, they can say, why did you? I go suck out on that day, no level. If you too like post my family, it there everywhere before. Go Facebook everywhere still. Go TikTok, my pictures. Not when you want post again. No level.
I say nothing the way you want post again.
Not in my mama market. I don't fit introduce myself. My mama is a wrong right teller. Never say anything. My father-in-law na spirit. My father-in-law is he too gallant. If he talks to you, agree. So nothing where you go take saga me where you go touch me when
Yes.
Ah, bro, in the Christ now nobody they see and say this is
you remember say when you dey sagara for that imama leg. That mama leg, when you bring her come and say mama leg they pay now. People think say na saga you dey use that thing.
No, not be now. That thing are right for time, not be now.
Then
right for time in Nigeria.
You dey lie.
That mama leg na just right for Nigeria. That time I did Nigeria they follow the woman by rice. Truth not say me person I love be like that.
Mama they said that time na for
na price so I go 90 injections. Just go for small.
No, they say you dey lie, you dey do saga that time, Joyous. They say you dey saga maybe because
no, that leg, not be now. That leg na right for time right there. And make kutu. If you see, they say don't big well now.
Waiting my father-in-law
come don't even upload that. He don't upload that by herself.
My father-in-law said na elephantiasis. Now it be the sickness, elephantiasis.
They say that time I did, but that time I did Nigeria, it be worse.
Okay, now this set of people. Wait, Joyous. Now this set of people, your mama they sick. Your mama not there. Okay, your mama not.
You know, say as my mama, see like now so it's all black beauty, no bleaching.
Why not be like this on this social media? Why not be like this?
No worry, my mama, my sweet sister, my mama
no go for set of people they say, oh, see slow movements for your mama. Yeah, they don't go talk about the leg. Go and they see some people bloggers they carry her now. They don't go talk about the leg.
You need to make it mama there. You know, say I see mama face don't bomb because of bleaching.
When they tell that boy so that boy call me that time when they ask me question why they saga for them. You know, say they don't believe me. Father say mama's leg swell up.
True life story. More listening.
Make pretty dear.
Not forget say most men they lie just to get to answer. Everybody they lie. You don't know. As a woman, you need to be very wise.
Yeah.
If you are not wise upstairs, then believe me, you're gonna be stupid forever.
That's so.
You don't know. When I see my husband for the first time, I know say yes, this one is my future.
That's so.
You don't know what you won't tell me.
That's so.
Even if say the woman say you know this, you go date their second wife.
That's
you don't know.
So
it to her knew very well, vividly. Said that.
But if you really classic, now the question where they ask una way still born.
He's not even supposed to they measure you to man. Supposed to see you collect person husband, go they see the drag another person we born for person husband.
No qualified to talk for single mother matter. Now so na no qualified to talk for single mother because if you go marry single father, you are in the same category like a single mother.
May I tell you, this is to and so now Romy. If you to begin to carry mama secret, come outside now. They go come.
That to an buy. You don't be person no pick.
Now Romy, now they drag it now.
It to her no ambo. We be like it to her no reach out.
It to her no because it to her begin to carry mama secret. You know.
Why because they cause it to her now?
Because you know they go all those people go call the drag it to and say it to and they expose
them. When people want drag you as I then I be potter be dirty water. Wait till you want drag for dirty water. Eh? They begin to talk in mama story now. Everywhere go scatter.
Well, you not be you carry secret come outside when they bring you up and down now. Not be Joyous. You even thought say let they pay mama at the end of the day they try up and down go they run and go police station. At the end of the day, not be mama leg is still constant social media. They constant say When people don't go video your mama,
what they pay for body, but they tell person word, but if you tell them they pay
well. It goes say I know they feel like whether they cry for it. You that marry.
No, anything when you see I said that they use a sagara for if you see I say Joyous, they use that sagara with Joyous no they lie. You know they lie. Now true
no lie now.
If I want just
my family no see my family see my family know the face to face. Yeah. My sister, your husband, and your mama, na best friend they be.
If my father-in-law even say my father-in-law they put it for your mama self, he go say
I go meet mama come for guest store. You know they don't they say rice again, but you don't get store.
That brother when I say the brother they do that car that is the first song where mama fell born for another place. You see that she post her, she go greet her when she reach her.
My sister, but I think so as why Joyous see all she don't post we I need them I think so already done.
My mama, you go arrest my mama, me where you know. Me where you know.
Others will do alright better for
you. 10
years now I tell Saga generation till I bring the family up. Until I finish her, until depressed, I not go leave her. You know me. Person go arrest my mama, I go free come out for Nigeria. When I know you reach us, me mommy Joyous. You trust now? If for trial.
No, for that one, you know what? You know, say you stick them mama for.
When I know mama, hey.
Not be that day, not be soldier call mama that day when you don't want to talk.
Not be only soldier go use that. You know me, any amount I go spend them. Say you thought, no, you get what that they touch now. You go arrest mama, you know. Even though I don't see your mama, I go saga you till that kid don't come. No verse. And my husband no feel beg me say leave that saga.
Mama marry. She talk for one video where she talk for Sazip on my platform. Say, hey, even if you come marry, not be the man toss me. Yes. Since I did now, I'm legally married to my husband. By law, I am Mrs. Gebo.
Shut up. Why you do that marriage?
Which law? A married man before me, I don't even understand the road down.
Law marriage. What to make it go? You just said that you change your name for paper. You don't go with it, Benjo. It not work. He can still come Jamie. This Mrs. Gebo will analyze and give him.
Tradition. I am Mr. Sigebo.
Okay, family like you. Family don't like you.
Okay.
God go punish you. Bring out that outside where they for marry you are well. You wear where they go. We start I get
no traditional marriage for Nigeria.
Just wait, oh, me not wait. Just
you get married for church. Nigeria, you fit go.
If brother bring out what the gun bring come outside for Jamie when I do all this year, I go bring my own when I take to court for this Europe for me. I go bring a come outside.
No need to bring your own day for Facebook. I see and everybody see. No need to bring your own day for Facebook.
That court where the Jamie no accept her. Why she do? She want change her name.
Okay.
She don't come to do again for Jamie. You don't say why they process to change her name. You know how many court where did not be saying just say one don't do it because of that name. He want change his status. His paper no strong like that. You understand? Make it feel they go Nigeria direct. Now she they work for. On the traditional marriage, yes, but the white wedding road, which altar? Show the one pastor the blessing. The wedding gown. He send me wedding gown. Come, this one not be same person. He send me wedding gown. That time I see Josie, where the guy called the finance. Say when I do wedding at DH gate. I don't know if I know that I've not for buy my wedding gown.
Okay.
A DH gate. I bought that gown €800 for DH gate. I said if you mention your body, they go soon and give you. If you want buy wedding gown, that app is the best. When I even come back with the guy, that I never take for Jamie. I don't even find tailor, may hold on, may tight my body because I newly born my son. So as I give my price of wedding gown, finish say husband say no, they buy wedding gown. Even DJ, he husband say na DJ won't carry. He go now he by say pay for musician. Shut up, marry where you first. He tell me say that time say if he don't marry finish, he go come go the saga this woman. I don't even know the woman that time. I say what did the woman do? He said the woman. Waiting and lo and behold, heaven and earth watch me today. When I asked that man for this parlor, what did that woman do? The only complaint that man gave was if you and the woman quarrel, he go they say they can't me for your body. Nothing else where the man talk. You know everything where come they fabricate now. He not talking. The first time this guy told me that now Oyibo born for Oyibo your husband fell marry.
And the people will not know. Understand? So they talk. One guy even tell me
that he force and before they can't do. The man not even, the man say no need big marriage. Oh, he no want go house. This guy can't they force.
The man not the money.
That they help people where they kill you? Which were the gam? Which church you for wed? One I go find one. He said I want roadside the pastor. May come home. May just pray for them. Now be where the way say. You know it be wed.
But that's why I see I boldly crescent when I'm a crescent, Mrs. Igebo, because all your marriage I don't tighten my life with.
Wait, so if man really care and love you, not be man supposed to tattoo your wife for a body. Why be saying now you don't go work do birthday for this age, man? Not let you go carry Mrs. Igebo for. That's why for you rather. Why you want like me? They say the I don't know. No, help me judge this case. So. You go a tattoo man for your body. Now you go do work 3 months, they do birthday, carry home, they do birthday. Since when I know you, this man never do birthday for you. Now you go, you wear the sham. He come for Nigeria. I say my husband say, brother, shut up now. How much for tickets? If you took us 600, if you buy for grand 500 or 600. Yeah. You not go they tell us now say you press the man for body. Now the man suppose they proud of you. But now you even they happy say this old man carry you. That means you can't become bubel. Bubel means dustbin before. You were a dustbin. You were even happy that the man said, why you not crest for body? For man to accept good person with another man belly easy. You need to crest.
It's not easy. It's not easy. I give the man
you
for
need
that.
to depress on.
The more they have the man for. Now make the offer.
A bad because
wait, they where small boys in the jet for them. Where did Papa say the no one?
Your crypto, go tattoo for your crypto.
Because
it really easy. Oh yeah, right.
What happened?
Because you need to the have that man where they happen where because to carry that notice is not easy.
My husband.
That's so.
You can't know. Say now my husband be this time God said I make a marry my husband. 92. What do you want to do? Then you can't know. Say this man get wife. You can't go put Toto. I know say nobody go agree or put Toto from husband because he don't old. Yes.
Now this place I see for this thing, as you finish that man, the family of this man, they suppose as in no respect for this man again.
You guys won't get respect for him. He dey fuck for the man. He dey fuck the person man.
You do the talk. Forget say they talk say this. You do the talk.
Is the sucky.
Even though we dey talk say the. It can't be like say they force you. They force you. Make you get the marriage. They force you say. We get one place when they
because of frustration still go more than not being make it still the marriage.
He get one place when she talk. He say for future he and the man feel live each other. And I say okay, you get for future to leave this man. But do you to see? He said any woman of you collect, but if for future,
now one of the man never would. You know, you can't say no.
I am make we play a game on a jolly smoke.
By law, I am Mrs. Igebo.
That's so.
By tradition, I am Mrs. Igebo.
We hear you, man. Give me gift now.
Then by altar.
Double tap.
God, I am Mrs. Igebo. That's why I say I boldly crescent when I'm a crescent. Mrs. Igebo, because all your marriage I don't tighten my life
with
my husband. Then you can't know. As I the chat reach, my husband.
Thank you, Mom.
You can't know. Say now my husband be this time God said I make a marry my husband. 92. What do you want to do?
92 years.
Then you can't know. Say this man get wife. You can't go put Toto. I don't say nobody go.
What you do other person do and now you dey drag the person.
Just imagine say na Tinubu your elder brother they see. You don't understand something. Know your eye. You don't understand. Now make us.
It don't understand the man.
You finish the man or bear way man.
Oh, Baba. God.
Now that one go all those men wey no dey stay one place and that one go for them. They go carry the bag.
Thank you, Thank you for the gift.
Instead the man not dey fit knack again. Mama Tina dey enjoy with your husband. Mama Tia go saga your list. Igele. I go Sangara and join her.
What if you want do this Mama T, so this lovely woman, so if you want do am, maybe he enemy go turn to single mother, no go see my way marry, I go to drag
her. This girl for they use every day.
If for this woman go say because you not get character, now you not see my way marry you. As you see my way marry, and now better pass your husband. So where even better pass your husband, we collect, they got the jealousy joiner.
Hey. You know what I hear say they say tell person, say if you see Mama T for front of car, the best and where.
And they say Mama T, they use and do video, they put for TikTok, and they say you're the front of car, they carry his sweet husband.
Front of her old new husband, car can vest her.
Saloboa.
If by say talking for this video, say he can jealous. He say I can jealous. Now witchcraft don't say you.
That man, that the man self this year, Mama Titi new husband we got a breast and so you not go even gree carry Rhoda. What you want use Rhoda do? Rhoda never go.
That man too go responsible for all this. Even young boys that gree carry Rhoda when carry belle go they give them.
You know gree carry.
When they know the history of the family.
Him mama self now because of him mama, now make that one my sister come and they cry. Talk, you not talk, you go they cry.
Okay, that one where come they cry that day say
Jenny.
You know,
Jenny.
Okay, you don't want me mama fly come meet her.
Now because of mama, that one they fear. You not get papa, you not get mama. They fear. You not go
wait, so all this spirit of say I not get me as say get some kind thing. I don't need to call my mama to disturb her. If you not start for yourself, how will you not take care of your family?
That one. Another do have here.
You take care for which?